guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mishi Wang, back with a bang. And if you're new here, then welcome, join the family. Click the subscribe button down below. Guys, I am giving you this look today. It's been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial, and here I go with this glitter makeup look. Alright, I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you did, don't forget to press that thumbs up button down there, subscribe, share this with persons who you think would like this makeup tutorial, and remember, click the notification bell to all when you are subscribing. Or if you're already subscribed and you haven't clicked the notification bell, then go ahead and click the notification bell to all, and so you can never miss an upload from me, because yeah, you never want to miss an upload, right? No, you don't. All right, so I hope you do enjoy this look. All right, so guys, let's start off this look. All right, I already did my brows and I am about to start my eyes. I am using my current case matte palette for my eyes. I want a purple orangish color, and it was while doing this voiceover that I realized I do use a lot of purple for my transition. All right, so but that's what I'm doing right now. I'm using purple for my transition shade, and as you can see in the title, I am going to be doing a glitter cut crease look. So yeah, I'm just warming up my eyes right now with some purple. I'm building on the purple to get that shade that I want, not too bright but not too light, because I want the colors to be kind of coming through a little bit so you could actually see the colors that I'm using. Alright, so above the purple, I am now using that pink from the palette to continue to warm up my eyes just above the transition and just below my brow bone. Alright, so while I go along, wherever I realize that I need the color to come to a little bit more, then I go ahead and do that. Alright, so right now I'm just deepening the purple a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a cut crease. Not a very sharp cut crease, but yeah, a cut crease. Alright, so guys, I didn't prime my face before, so I decided to put some of the calamine lotion on my face. I've been using this as a primer of recent because it gets my face snatched, okay? Alright, so I do use the calamine lotion. However, for pores, I go ahead and use my baby skin primer, because that's really for pores. The calamine lotion is just to get your face snatched, to get your foundation of your makeup looking good. Alright, so I use this e.l.f. concealer for my cut crease. Alright, I'm using the e.l.f. concealer. I got this e.l.f. concealer and I bought it online on Amazon, and it was just too light for my highlights, so I decided I'm gonna use it to do my cut crease. Alright, so I must say the e.l.f. concealer, it is really thick and pigmented. I love it, so I am definitely gonna get a concealer in my shade for my highlights, but for this one I am using it for my cut crease. Let me try to get the shade for you. This is medium sand. Alright, so this is the e.l.f. concealer in medium sand, and it says 16-hour camo concealer matte finish. Alright, so yeah, I did my cut crease there, and I used my eyelash glue for my glitter. Alright, I'll be using the eyelash glue for my glitters, and I'm applying my glitters right now. Guys, when you're using the eyelash glue, you have to be careful, because the eyelash glue will just pick up things and get and just look sticky and pull your brow, not your brow, what's your name again? Yeah, it will just pull your eye down. Alright, so in order to not have that, you have to be very careful. Apply your glitters quickly, and if needs be, you pull your eye, just like I was doing right now, to get my glitter on perfectly evenly throughout my lid. That's what I couldn't remember a while ago, that's called the lid. Alright, I did added some rhinestones, and I use my lash glue just the same to add my rhinestones. I use the tip of my brush to apply it. I guess you have tools for that, so if you so desire you can get the tools that you need to apply your rhinestones, but I don't find that necessary, so I use the tip of my brush. Alright, I go ahead and line my eyes just for that natural seamless look between my lid and my lashes. Alright, and I also do that as a guide to apply my falsies. I'm wearing a few individual lashes right now, but I need more volume, so I'm gonna add my falsies, and I'll be applying those off camera, and after that I'll be starting my face, which I'm doing right now. Alright, so I'm using my Maybelline Superstay foundation for my face, and I'm just kind of like brushing the glitters off my face because it can get a little bit messy. I must say that with the lash glue I don't have a lot of fallout, so that is good, but yeah, I was just brushing those that were there, and I go ahead with my foundation right now. I don't put a lot of foundation, especially when you're using the calamine lotion. You have to be so very careful because your face can look cakey really easy, so you have to be mindful and very careful that you have like an even blend of the lotion on your face, right? If you leave lines on your face on the lotion and you put the foundation over it, then that's how your face is going to look. I might do a tutorial showing you guys how I use the lotion. If you want one, then you can just let me hear in the comments. By the way, how have you guys been doing? I just jumped on here and started talking. Let me know in the comments what's going on with Team Wang fam. Alright, so I'm doing my highlights right now, and I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer for my highlights. I've been using my Maybelline concealer a lot for my highlights, but that one is kind of out right now, so I am turning to my LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's good nonetheless. So here we go with that. I'm using a brush now, guys, not a beauty blender. I've given beauty blenders a rest, so I'm using a brush, and of course that foundation brush, it cannot go all the way that go to little areas that I would want for it to go to, so you have to use other brushes or your fingertips or whatever you need to do to get your foundation and your highlights blended. That's the key to makeup application, guys. Blend. Make blending your cardio. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my contour, and after which I will set my face with my L'Oreal Hydra Perfect setting powder. I'm doing my nose, but for some reason I don't think that this nose contour was like doing snatched. I guess it wasn't a problem for me. Well, and a snatched nose is not really a favorite of mine, so I don't really focus on the nose too much. Alright, so probably if I wanted it more snatched, then I'd have to up the highlight on the bridge of my nose, and along the sides I just have to do a darker contour. Alright, but that's if that's what you want for a snatched look of your nose. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead with I'm going now in with my set, as I said earlier. And guys, I noticed that for some people it's a new trend for you to put your contour up a little bit further. I haven't really started doing that, or I haven't really done that, because yeah, I prefer this way. Alright, so whichever flow your boat, then you can go ahead and do that, but that's what I do with my contour. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush, and I'm not using a palette, I'm using an eyeshadow palette for just to add a little bit of rosiness on my cheeks. That's what I did, and I'm using black in my under in my waterline. I'm using some black in my waterline, and I am basically done in it, guys. Yeah, so you can just stick around till the end. Alright guys, so we're at the end of the video. I hope you did like this makeup tutorial. Go ahead and share the video. Give me a big thumbs up if you did like the video, and share. Alright, thank you so much for watching. As always guys, remember to click that notification bell, turn it to all, and I'll be back with another video from you guys. Bye.